Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Crunchyroll videos not loading. So, if your video is buffering, stuck on a black screen or not playing, don't worry, we'll fix it together. Let's get started. First of all, you have to go ahead and simply check your internet. Crunchyroll needs a stable connection, so you have to go ahead and simply turn airplane mode on, wait for 3 seconds and then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, try playing the video again. Now go ahead and simply close and reopen the app. So now, fully close the Crunchyroll application, reopen it and try again. After that, open up your App Store. In the search bar, search for Crunchyroll. Tap onto it. If this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen. Long press on Crunchyroll, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. Once you have deleted it, simply visit the App Store again and reinstall it. Also, if your internet is slow, high quality videos won't load. So start the video, tap on the gear icon and choose lower quality like 480p or auto. And lastly, simply log out and then log back in again. This resets account sync. That's it. One of these steps should fix Crunchyroll not loading videos. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.